Baz here from BeckettBoy.com. Today's video, delivering on my promise, we are going to show you some of the equipment that I use, especially when I buy a card, or on some of the other ones that I intend to get graded. I'm going to show you some of the tools that I use to just help me understand, prior to sending off to get graded, what I can possibly expect. Sometimes there's always a lot of things you can't always predict, but if you can control a lot of the predictables, then it'll help you understand which cards might grade better than some of the others. So I'm just going to flick the camera around. I'll show you the Softbox. Ooh, excuse me. So that's my Softbox just there, Softbox Studio Light, which does some really cool light. It'll reduce glare. I actually do use it when I'm in my little lab down here as well. Can give you a nice little soft light. I also use this one here, which has a nice little light I can flick around, and this section here I can rotate that, and this comes straight down on top of my little lab that I was telling you about. Don't know why I call it a lab, it just sounds cool. I'll actually bring that around, so let me just flick that around. And this is my little lab here, so I've got a modem and a grading form that I'm going to be sending off to Cherry, getting ready for next sub. So this is, as you can see, this thing here sort of just clips on to the desk, and I can put my phone in there, and that's where I get that straight down shot, where I can do all my stuff down here. My grade master, okay. I'll just quickly show you. I'll give you a proper tutorial on that in a coming video, but let's just say this David Robinson card here, right? And as you can see, actually what I'll do is, sorry, the grade master, we'll come back to that, and I've got my magnifying glass over here. So it's another clip on, clip this on, and there's the light there, as you can see, and I'll just pick up one of my Tyler Heros, and the big open bit here is the 3 times, this little bit here, my thumb is, that's the 5 times, right? And as you can see, light. So this will show you, you can actually see the imperfections on the card a lot better, and you can go right over it. So this is a really handy tool. I'll put links for all of this stuff in the description. Okay, that one there, I think I picked that up for under 30 bucks on eBay. You can get those from Bunnings as well. Bunnings have got their own version, and some places, I think at Kmart and Big Dub as well. I could be wrong. No, Bunnings definitely have one. I got it on eBay because I buy all my stuff online. Just a lot easier. Quickly back to the Grade Master. So just quickly, you can see these the big ones here. And sorry if I'm holding the camera a bit fuzzy. I don't have my soft light on, so I'm just running on overhead and the lamp here. But you can actually see this one's actually pretty well centered. Now, I'm not going to elaborate too much because I'm going to make a separate video just on how to use that. But that's basically, you just lay the card down and straight over the top. Now, moving over to this desk, guys, I've got a lot of little storage containers like these. I've got a bunch of these and more up in the cupboard. These can hold about 150 cards, standard size. So these will come in really handy. These are the ones you don't want to put in the penny sleeves. And last but not least, sorry, just moved away. This is storage. So this one on top here, that's a bit bigger and can hold graded slabs, which is really, really cool. All of these ones, these are like archive boxes, and they just hold singles. So I've got obviously quite a lot of cards right down to the bottom, that being the last one. So shoe boxes as well, really good. And all of these here, all these have got cards in them. So that's a wrap for today, guys. If you've got questions about any of that gear, like I said, I'm going to have links down below so you guys can can snap that up if you're interested in using this stuff. Highly recommend some of the storage stuff I showed you. The magnifying glass is a really, really good one as well. And also the Grade Master is really cool. So that's it for today, guys. We'll see you in the next video. Thanks for tuning in.